Hi everyone, welcome back to the British Primary Lab. Today we are learning how to write a brilliant setting description. A setting is where a story takes place. It could be a forest, a castle, a beach, or even a planet in space. We are going to start with one boring sentence and improve it step by step. First, add detail. Instead of saying the forest was scary, we can say the dark, twisted forest was scary. This helps the reader picture it better. Next, use the senses. Good writers think about what you can see, hear, smell, and feel. Here, I added what the forest smells like. Now, let's add a fronted adverbial. This goes at the start of the sentence and gives the reader more detail. As the wind whispered, comma, the dark, comma, twisted forest smelled of damp leaves. Next, add a simile. A simile compares one thing to another using like or as. The branches reached out like crooked fingers. Now we can put our ideas together. We have used detail, the senses, a fronted adverbial, and a simile. This sounds much better than the forest was scary. We now have as the wind whispered, the dark, twisted forest smelled of damp leaves. The branches reached out like crooked fingers. Now it's your turn. Look at these settings. Choose the one you like and try to use detail, the senses, a fronted adverbial, and a simile to make your sentence more interesting.